So let's talk about the insurance needs in Canada and in North America. So there is a basic rule of thumb which says how much insurance you will need as an individual or as a family. So you have to consider these points: your annual income, years to replace, which is generally 10 years, your outstanding liabilities would get added on, like mortgage and loans, and you subtract any existing assets that you own. Why 10 years? Because if something were to happen to the bread earner of the family, next 10 years is what that income needs to be there to ensure the food on the table is not hampered. So let's see examples of few of the families and understand how much insurance would that family need based on their annual income. So family one, if individual earns $50,000, you multiply that by 10, which is this number's years to replace, the insurable need comes out to be $500,000. Now keep in mind, this is without any liabilities and no assets. So this is just to give you an idea. So family two, wherein an individual earns $100,000, his or her insurable needs would be $1 million. Whiz a whiz, there are no liabilities, no assets. But things change in family three scenario. So if there is a husband who earns $100,000, wife earns $80,000, their individual insurable needs would be $1 million and $800,000 respectively. But then they also have liabilities, a home, a debt, a mortgage of $1 million, which means $1 million of insurance each. Now pay attention to that. Each is must, which means for husband, the insurance would be 1 million plus 1 million, 2 million. For wife, the insurance would be 1,800,000, which is 1.8 million. Why that number? This 1 million would kick in to pay off the debt if anything were to happen to one of the spouses. But this is what we are talking about, the income protection for 10 years. If something were to happen to one of the earning spouses, their income should minimum be replaced for next 10 years. So that is how the basic insurable need is what you have to understand. So next time when you sit with someone to discuss your insurable needs or insurance amount, do keep these calculations in mind.